Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. First, have a look at this patient with right-sided facial palsy. দাঁত দেখান তো একটু দাঁত দেখান এমন করেন হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে এবার চোখটা বন্ধ করেন আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আরেকবার করতে হবে একই জিনিস প্রথমে দাঁত দেখান না চোখ বন্ধ করেন না চোখ খোলা রাখেন চোখ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ এবার আপনি চোখটা বন্ধ করেন দুই চোখ খোলেন আবার বন্ধ করেন So what may be the House-Brackmann grading of facial nerve palsy in this patient? Let's analyze. House-Brackmann grading system has 6 grades. Grade 1 is completely normal, and in grade 6 there is no movement at all. Now have a look at this patient. When I am asking this patient to close his eyes, we can see on the right side the upward rolling of the eyeball, which is known as Bell's phenomenon, and it is evident that the eye closure is incomplete. When there is incomplete eye closure, it should be at least grade 4. So we can say that it is at least grade 4 of facial nerve palsy. Now the question is whether it is grade 4, 5 or 6. In case of grade 5, there should be asymmetry of face at rest. But in 2, 3, 4, the face is symmetric at rest. Have a look at this patient. He has asymmetric face at rest. So its grading is upscaled and it is grade 5 as it has asymmetric face at rest. Now the next question is whether it is grade 5 or 6. I have said that in grade 6 there should be no movement of the facial muscle. But we can see when I have asked the patient to close his eyes and to clench teeth, there is little bit movement at the angle of the mouth and at the eye. So there is no complete loss of movement of the facial muscle. So this patient has House-Brackmann grade 5 of facial nerve palsy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.